life?
G-Wagon Mercedes car, 3.5 crores or so.
How did you invest the amount of money that you got from Verada deal, like which is 348 crores?
Oh yeah.
So guys, today we are at Gate with all the smart CA students. So once a CA, once a CA, once a CA. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सुबह के 5 बजे अभी आपको दिख ही रहा होगा मेरी आंखों से, बट वी आर हेडिंग टू गिर फॉरेस्ट फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 days विद द लेजेंडरी सीए मिस्टर जेके शाह सर, एंड वी गोना हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन इन द नेक्स्ट 2 days. मेक श्योर टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड टू नो व्हाई वी आर हेडिंग टू द गिर फॉरेस्ट, एंड आपको एंड तक पता चल जाएगा कि व्हाट इज द रीजन फॉर दैट. सो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल राइट नाउ.
आइए देखते हैं, मजा आएगा.
तो गाइस अभी बैकपैक कर लिया हमने गिर फॉरेस्ट के लिए, और ये मेरा रूम है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, दिस इज द व्यू दैट वी गेट. Beautiful, peaceful view. This is the city of Mumbai. Guys, so now we have reached Rajkot Airport and we are now heading to Gir, and we have the legendary CA Mr. JK Shah sir. Hi sir, how are you doing?
Very fine, thank you, Kushal.
Perfect sir. So where are we going? Can you tell everyone what's the agenda for today and what are we going to do?
So we are going to Gir Forest area,
Yeah.
where we have special batch of inter-CA students.
Okay.
All those students who secured maybe 300 marks and above, or around 300.
Okay.
Special batches. And those batches are now getting over today. So it is going to be kind of saying goodbye to those people.
Right.
All brilliant, promising students.
Right. The future JK Shahs of India.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yes.
Perfect. Sir, we also got to know that you have now become a LinkedIn influencer. How is that journey going for you?
Enjoying like anything. And
Yeah.
especially, getting to getting connected with so many students who studied some years back.
Yeah.
So it's a wonderful experience.
Yeah. Any specific student interaction you remember, or any specific student who reached out to you after your LinkedIn?
So many people. In fact, so many people.
Okay.
Out of roughly 35,000 followers, more than 33,000 people were our students once upon
Wow.
a time.
Wow. That's so amazing. Perfect. We'll shoot a separate rapid fire also with you. Stay
Sure.
tuned for that, everyone.
Sure. Thank you.
Hi guys, so we are now shooting a fun rapid fire segment with JK Shah sir. Sir, so this is going to be a very fun banter segment with you. Your past students want to know about your personal life as well. So very tricky questions, meet masale wale questions hai kafi. So first one is, what is your guilty pleasure?
Well, so I'm a diabetic person, and I'm not supposed to consume sweet or sweet items. But whenever I consume sweet, after that I do have regrets. So I think that is the guilty pleasure.
What is your favorite food item in dishes?
Well, I would say 2 items. One is Misal Pav of Mamledar
Okay.
and Sardar Pav Bhaji in Mumbai. In Rajkot, Patel Vihar, Kathiawadi food.
Okay. So are we going to have the Kathiawadi food?
Kathiawadi food we will have today, yes.
What has been the most expensive purchase in your life?
Expensive purchase is the car that we purchased when I turned 60.
Okay.
G-Wagon Mercedes car.
Okay. And what was the cost?
Well, my children have not told me because it was given to me as surprise, but subsequently I found out it was some 3.5 crores or so.
भाई पैसा हो तो क्या कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
How did you invest the amount of money that you got from Verada deal, like which is
my God.
348 crores?
Oh yeah. Major part I've invested in very, very safe alternatives like real estate and fixed income like RBI bonds and so on. But a very small portion I've invested in equity as well, which is first time I've done in my life.
One shot, please.
जैसे वो बिल गेट्स का डॉली चाय वाला है, वैसे आपका ये है क्या सर? Guys, this is the chai wala. Whenever you visit Rajkot, please do come here.
चाय वाला दोनों सेम होगा, लेकिन मेरे पास बिल गेट्स जैसा पैसा नहीं है.
अरे So guys, we have come to our suite room. What an amazing room. Have a look at this. This is the Mango Resort. तो हम लोग अभी रिसोर्ट में मैंगो रिसोर्ट एंड वी आर नाउ हेडिंग टू गिर फॉरेस्ट. बहुत ज़्यादा ही सही रिसोर्ट है ये एंड यहाँ पर इतने ज़्यादा जानवर है, क्या बताऊँ मैं आपको. पर बहुत सही, मज़ा आ रहा है काफ़ी. वी आर नाउ गोइंग टू द क्लासरूम and we are now going to just motivate the students there, talk about my journey, talk about how they can prepare for the exams, and just stay tuned. But yeah, have a look at this amazing resort. सबसे पहले तो जो भी लोग बोलते हैं ना कि सीएस आर वेरी बोरिंग, सीएस आर वेरी नर्डी, ये वीडियो दिखाना चाहिए ये क्लासरूम का. So very great, you are great with all the smart CA students. So once a CA, always a CA. Once a CA, always a CA. Once a CA, always a CA. Thank you so much, guys. Hi guys, good morning. So this is day 2 of our vlog. Actually हुआ क्या है कि मैं प्रीवियस नाइट सिर्फ 1.5 घंटे ही सोया था एंड कल भी कुछ 6-7 घंटे ही सोया हूँ, तो मैं थोड़ा नींद में हूँ, इसलिए मैंने ग्लेयर्स पहने ताकि आपको समझना है कि मैं नींद में हूँ. बट बहुत ही मज़ा आया कल. यू वोंट बिलीव गाइस. तो एक्चुअली मतलब आई वाज वेरी शॉक्ड कि यहाँ पर रेसिडेंशियल जो प्रोग्राम था मैं जहाँ पर आया हूँ, तो जेके शाह क्लासेस ने इन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है. एंड ये क्या करते हैं कि लाइक जो भी एकदम सीए फाउंडेशन के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको 45 डेज़ का प्रोग्राम होता है इंटर के क्लासेस के लिए. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे फॉर देम ऑल्सो टू नेटवर्क विथ लाइक माइंडेड पीपल. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस प्रोग्राम इज़ दैट कि एकदम सब जो लाइक माइंडेड लोग हैं वो सब एक साथ आते हैं एंड नेटवर्क एंड कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग होता है. तो कॉलेज लाइफ जो मिस आउट हो गई है, दैट इज समथिंग विच इज़ कवर्ड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इनिशिएटिव्स. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव टुडे एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर.
खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है.
कौन है बता दे.
जिसको से देखा है उसको हम शमा जलाना भूल गए, दिल थाम के ऐसे बैठे हैं कहीं आना जाना भूल गए.
गाइस सो यहाँ पे ये था रेसिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम फॉर सीए फाउंडेशन स्टूडेंट्स. 45 डेज़ का पूरा इनका रेसिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम था. And these guys are leaving, they are going back to their hometown and 45 days का इनका पूरा सफ़र ख़त्म हो गया है. एंड अभी ये लोग सीए इंटरमीडिएट की एग्ज़ाम देने वाले जैन 2025 में. सो से बाय गाइज टू दिस ब्लॉग. बाय. सो यही था एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड इनिशिएटिव बाय जेके शाह क्लासेस एज वेल. यहाँ पर मतलब जो कॉलेज लाइफ नहीं होती है वो पूरा एक्सपीरियंस करने मिलती है लोगों को. सो मतलब दिस इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड and this is a very nice initiative. So I hope that these kind of initiatives are there and going forward also like सारे CA फाउंडेशन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जब इंटर की बैचेस होती है तो ऑफलाइन एक 45 डेज़ का कर देते तो उनके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा नेटवर्क बन जाता है. तो yep, that's about it. So guys, we are going back to the Rajkot airport and then we are heading to Mumbai. It was amazing 2 days even and I had the best of my time with JK Shah sir as well. And here we have JK Shah sir, so let's ask him about his experience as well. Sir, so how were your last 2 days and what were the highlights of the last 2 days?
Last 2 days were the most fantastic days in reality. The students benefited like anything. This group of students, some 304 students, were well chosen diamonds and definitely all of them achievers. They all were preparing very well. But yesterday when you addressed them, gave the insight, and you made them believe that if Kushal Lodha could be a ranker, that too single-digit ranker, at all three levels, even they can also be like Kushal Lodha.
What was the main reason for starting the residential program for all the CA intermediate students?
So Kushal, actually speaking, residential program is just one of the outcomes of my basic objective. This concept was that like-minded people should sit together, study together, have healthy competition. And I am sure you will also agree that all these students who secure 300 or so in foundation, surely they will pass. Most of them would turn out to be rank holder if they play the cards well now onwards. We have detailed plan of hand-holding right up to the examination date. All that is required is that students should follow what we tell. And the course director is Mr. Agam Dalal, All India's second ranked final CA. He knows the trick, and the brief I have given to him is, I am not satisfied with just one Agam. I want hundreds of Agam. And I think with students' support and cooperation, we should be able to achieve it.
Lovely. And that is also smart people cluster. Like people are able to get the networking benefit over here.
Yes.
So that is very much important.
Huge.
Guys, if you like this vlog, share it with all your friends and subscribe to my channel right now.